Hi everyone, Mrs. Silverblatt here. I am here to tell you about how to get to Clever while you are in a Zoom meeting. The first thing that you have to do is in your Zoom meeting, go up to the top here where it says enter full screen and exit full screen. Make sure that you have exited full screen. That is going to give you a minus sign and an X and these two papers. You want to click on the minus sign, the dash sign right here. If you can see it, you're going to click on that and it's going to make your screen smaller. Okay, and here now is my screen. Up on the line here, you are going to go to the plus sign and add a new tab. That plus sign will add you a new tab every time and it will take you straight to Google. So anytime that you need a new tab, you just click that plus sign. Now we're going to go to Clever, and you are just going to type in clever.com. So VER.com and press enter, and that is going to take you to Clever. Okay. From here, let me move mine out of the way here. Okay, from here you are going to sign in. You are going to sign in as a student. I am going to sign in as a teacher. Maybe. There we go. Okay, put in your username, which is your lunch number, and your password is the same password that you use to log into Google. Okay, click login, and you are in Clever. I hope this helps you get to where you need to be. Have a fantastic day.